Hey everyone, it's Erin Flutter here, and I am here for another week of a weekly setup. So I have changed some things around a little bit this week. I'm going to do kind of more of a similar setup to how Cindy Guccibaldo does her setup, at least how she's been doing it lately, where I'm just going to have a running task list and I'm going to put everything on this list and then do my dailies over here. Continue the dailies over here, and then I'll set up my review page for this page. So I'm gonna jump ahead and get started, and you'll kind of see what I mean by all of that. All right, so that is plain and simple my setup for this week. So I have the this week header, which maybe I should put over the dates over here or something like that. And then I just went back through a couple of the last weeks and my master task lists from the beginning of the month and added a bunch of things that I hope to accomplish. There's a lot of stuff on this list. A lot of it is like really one-off things, so it's not going to be that big of a deal, but some of these are a lot more involved, such as work on business taxes. I really need to get that done. Then I'm not really ready to set up for my Monday because I think there's a few more things going on here, and my Mondays usually really depend on how my email account looks in the morning, so that will help determine how Monday is going to get shaped. I have enough room for Monday and then the rest of the week, and then I put in my monthly review. As you guys have seen me do time and time again, I use the numbers from the start of the month and the end of the month for my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And then I just look at the basic numbers, what my followers or subscribers or whatever was at the start of the month, what it was at the end of the month, and then the difference between the two. And then I have a note section down here, and I forgot to do a drop shadow on this, so I am adding that in as we speak. All right. So, for example, Instagram had this whole purge thing going on for this past month, and I think into January as well. There was this kind of purge of blank accounts or non-active accounts and things like that. So I know that my numbers went down pretty heavily in January, at the end of January and into February. So that's something that I can note into here. And then they actually gave back a bunch of subscribers or followers. So those are just things that I like to keep in mind while I'm doing it. I'm going to add some washi tape from Simply Gilded into here to actually this, this 10 millimeter one to section off my days of the week. So once all of my tasks are done for Monday and I'm setting up for Tuesday, I'll put this down and then set up for Tuesday right under that. So I'm going to be using this Simply Gilded washi tape for that. So that's pretty much it for the setup. I hope you guys like this kind of week. It's very minimal, but it really just gets the basics down, and I can work from one task list instead of flipping between a whole bunch of weeks and my master task list at the beginning of the month. So I'm hoping this will work out, and then going through and putting in all the stuff on the days. If something comes up on a particular day, I'm probably not going to add it to here. This is to pull from. I'll just add it to the day itself. So that's how I plan to use this setup. So thank you guys for following along for this video, and I will see you on Friday. Bye everyone.